What's going on, YouTube? Back again with another Bitcoin update video. Let's think about it. It's really a lot of news, with Bitcoin. A lot of huge things are happening, but something I really want to talk about is let's be logical, right? Let's be logical. Bitcoin, as the recording of this video, is roughly around 60 to 65K. So I think right now it's at 63 actually, as of this very moment. 63K. And let's just say you own one Bitcoin. You have one whole Bitcoin. You hear speculation of Bitcoin going to 100K in 4 years or 3 years, Bitcoin's going to a million. And let's just say it's true. Let's just say it's potentially true. Your 60K could be a million in 2 to 3 years. I want you right now to pause the video if you have to, name another investment that you can make where you're gonna put 60K in and not have to do anything. I'm letting you know right now, if you pause the video, whether you're trying to wait and truly think, there is no other investment you can make, whether it's real estate, whether it's buying gold, whether it's the stock market, where you can just put it into and not have to do anything. It's like, well, yeah, I can put my money into this. You say, well, I can put my money into the stock market. It's like, no, I'm not. You put your money into the stock market, you have to do research and figure out which company is doing what. And if you keep your money into, you can't put your money into a dividend-based stock in 4 years, it goes up to $1 million. It's not possible. Yeah, if you had bought Nvidia, several years back, or even Bitcoin several years back, like you can make an argument that you can put your money into like smaller cap cryptos or anything. What I'm telling you is Bitcoin is inevitable, and even just say 100K, putting your 60K in just not doing anything. You buy Bitcoin at the price you buy it at, and you wait. It's a sound investment. The reason why it stresses me out when people argue Bitcoin is not going to do these numbers. It's like, yeah, we're so focused on hitting these numbers and these metrics. Sure, right? Sure, if you're really so focused on Bitcoin hitting these numbers, yeah, we didn't hit the number. We didn't hit 100K right at the halving, but it's never worked that way. And as much, yeah, it hit all-time high before the halving, but you can't plan everything, and including myself. I was thinking to myself, and I bought some at 70K. And I bought a majority of mine right around like 40K. And I try to tell my friends, I try to tell people who I talk to, just buy Bitcoin. It's like, well, is it gonna go down? It's like, possibly. Just buy Bitcoin. Because if you're gonna argue with yourself, whether you're buying it at 64 or 65 or even 60, if you're gonna argue with yourself whether you're gonna buy it at this range, when it gets up to 100K, you're gonna wish you had it at 60K. You're gonna wish you had it at at under 70K. Buy Bitcoin. If you some days you can see the market goes up a little bit, maybe at a certain time. Do your own weekly trend analysis. You want to, you want a dollar cost average down, you do that. But don't wait so long and then try to chase it when it's going up. A lot of people, they fall into the same cycle. They have conviction on when they should buy it, and they see it at 62 and it drops to 61. It's like, you're arguing over $1,000. I'm letting you know, when it's going up to 66, 67, it's making these big candles, it's going up from 66 to 75, people are gonna FOMO in like they always do. They're gonna FOMO in, they're gonna try to buy it in, then it might have a quick correction. Now it's at 75, and it jumps back down to 72 or to 69. Then you say, oh, I'm selling it. Now you're selling out of it. Then it goes right back and jump to 75 and then 80. Like, don't chase it. Just buy Bitcoin for the price. You know, once again, do your weekly analysis or whatever. Buy it today, dollar cost average in. If you have $1,000 you want to put into Bitcoin, you buy it right now. And if every time you see it drop a little bit, maybe, you know, drop another couple $100, you buy it again. And that's, you know, you just dollar cost averaging in. And then even if it does go up a little bit and you say, you know what, I feel good with this price, just you take the time to actually invest in it, and don't do the whole jerk pull and take out, because when those candles are going up, you're gonna wish you had bought it in the 60s. And that's really my spiel. I don't wanna, this is not investment advice, but this is just, you know, everyone has to have the full disclaimer, or do your own research. The research is done. Just watch one Michael Saylor video. Watch a couple of my videos, and there's other content creators. Just try. I mean, this is not me knocking on any content creator who makes it all about price, but to me, the price it makes people. I think that's the reason why people have this conviction of like, oh, it's gonna go up or it's gonna go down. Like, I should wait. Like, you look at the long game. Once again, there is no other investment you can make where Bitcoin, or there is no other investment you can make, that people are talking about that there's going to be $1 million investment. That isn't a scam. Like, the research is sound. Oh, they have Ethereum, this cryptocurrency. Sure, do what you want. Do what you want to do. But all the research has been done with Bitcoin. The halving has happened. We have another one in 4 years. It is scheduled to be another 4 years. Even if you put the 60K in now and you just wait on it, right? You just wait. In the next 4 years, it's gonna be worth more, right? So if you put that same 60K into a banking account and say, okay, I'm gonna put it in the bank account, I'm not gonna touch it for the next 4 years, it is not gonna make the same increase that Bitcoin does. It's just not gonna happen. But once again, that's my spiel. Buy Bitcoin with your own research, in your own time, without any conviction. This video. Peace.